Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I got myself some friend mail today. As you can see here, the top one's from Dime Digger, and the bottom one is from Finders Keepers. Now I'm calling it friend mail, but I think we can safely tag this sticker mail. And it's possible we will even have our first sticker cam. Wouldn't that be nice? Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got. I'm going to open up the one from Finders Keepers first. See what we have here. Howdy. Cute picture of a doggy. Ooh. Dear TB. Hey TB, here's one of my channel stickers. I was wondering if we could do a sticker trade. Please let me know. Enjoy the sticker. Well, absolutely, Finders Keepers, we can do a sticker trade, and I sent mine out to you a couple days ago already, so I'd be surprised if you don't have them already. But let's take a look at yours. Wow, that thing is really cool looking. Worked out great. Some great texture. Finders Keepers, coin collecting. 1 ounce Troy, $9.99. Well, should we do it? Should we turn the coin cam into a sticker cam? I don't know if it'll work. That microscope blows things up pretty far. But let's go ahead and give it a try. Let's put it over here. Finders Keepers. Let's put it like that. And let's take a look. Well, that's not too bad. Looks pretty good. Can't get the whole thing on the screen, but look at that. Look at the nice texture of that sticker. That looks really good. Finders Keepers, coin collecting. That looks pretty cool. Very nice sticker, FK. Like it a lot. Good job on that one. Let's push it up and at least get the 999 on there. Yeah, looks good. Good job on that. So thank you for that sticker. Appreciate it a lot. I don't have a whole lot of YouTube channel stickers yet, so I appreciate you adding to my collection. Thanks a lot, man. Alright, next, let's take a look at what Dime Digger sent. Now, we've seen his stickers on quite a few channels, so I'm very, very happy that he sent me one because those things are obviously awesome. I'm glad to have one as part of my collection, too. Oh, got a little note in here. So let's take a look at that. Ooh-wee, look at that. Talking Bullion. Hey TB, I love your channel, and I'm really liking the live streams. I have some catching up to do on your videos, but I've been really busy lately. Keep up the great content. Dime Digger. Well, thanks, Dime Digger. I appreciate the nice little note you included with it. That's always cool for the old bulletin board. So I'm going to set that aside so we can get a good look at your sticker. Wow, look at that thing. That thing is gorgeous. Good job on that. That is really cool. Let's go ahead and put it under the sticker cam. And let's see what this looks like. That's an awesome looking sticker. Let's pull it down a little bit. Dime Digger. And it looks like you got a code on there that you can scan with your phone. Haven't tried that yet, but that's cool. Wow, very cool. Let's go ahead and look at it again with my main camera because that filter on that coin cam washes it out a little bit. Very nice, Dime Digger. Great choice on these stickers. Love them a lot. Very, very nice. Well, thanks to both of you. I appreciate you sending along your channel stickers. A very nice job on both of them. Got some nice texture, a nice look. Definitely definitive as far as your channel. So really, really cool. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go ahead and do that now. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And also, check out these video recommendations that I popped up for you. Got some great content in there. Go ahead and click on them and check them out. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.